Ay nakita kaming mouse dun sa clinic. Tulungan mo kaming maghuli mamaya ha.
They were rodents.
Madami sila. Mga 5 sila.
Really?
Tulungan mo ko mamaya ha.
Do you have a fly papers? Do you have a paper traps?
Wala. Uhulihin ko lang siya kasi nakita ko dun ano eh. Nung kahapon.
Those
Nakita ko dun
rodents?
sa table parang tumatakbo-takbo.
Those little rodents.
Tulungan mo mamaya ha.
You didn't have mouse traps?
Wala eh.
Then why did you buy it some?
Wala, hindi na ako nakabili pero dapat malinis na natin yun mamaya. Okay?
Yeah, but besides of that, get every mouse trap in the market.
Okay.
Anong fear yun?
Anong fear yun?
Glossophobia,
What is that?
some kind of fear of rats, you know.
You have that?
Sometimes, yes. You
Let's
guys, you have glossophobic reactions.
Yes.
Sometimes.
Kasi, madumi yun. We need to get rid of it.
Is,
And we need to
are
face our
these-
fear.
Are those mouses are dead?
No, we're catching it.
Catching it? You
They're-
don't think we should be able to get a dog or a cat?
Ay, the cat is scared of them kasi they're too large, huge, bigger than the cat.
Then what about the dogs then?
Ay, the
Look
dogs-
at our dogs, oh. It's Yuli and Matcha. How can they catch the mouse?
Very useless.
No. Let's.
Marlene! Marlene, may nahuli akong daga, please! Ito! Ito!
Bilis na.
I-catch mo, ano? I-catch mo, ano? Dito na siya. Hindi ko makita! Hindi ko makita! Wait lang!
I-catch mo. Pag binuksan mo, i-catch mo. No.
No?
Pag kinatch mo, pag i-catch mo, tapos itapon mo kagad siya, no? Dito na.
Marlene! Help mo si Mami!
No, ipupula ko, tapos i-catch mo, no? No.
No.
You catch it, though.
Coward.
1,